Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Conestoga College, School of Hospitality and Culinary Arts. My name is Trevor Wynne Jones. I'm a professor, program coordinator in the hospitality programs. Take a second to take a picture of my email. I would love to chat with you via Zoom should you have questions about our programs. It's such an exciting time in the food and beverage, hotel, and tourism world. We're exiting from the pandemic and we're embracing innovative change. This change has been thrust upon us and we're better for it. We're going to come out a sharper, more focused industry. And it's such an exciting time for students to come back to school, continue school here at Conestoga College. Today, we'll talk a little bit about Conestoga's food and beverage, hotel, and restaurant management operations programs. The food and beverage, restaurant, and hotel program is a 2-year diploma program with a break in the middle after your first 2 semesters to go out onto field placement should you decide you want to take the co-op element of the program and go out and get paid to work in industry. Part of the 2-year program is the 1-year college certificate. Students can come into the 1-year program and move level up, so to speak, into level 2, or the 2-year diploma program students can exit after 1 year. Students join us from around the world, all walks of life. Students can enroll in the program in September 2021, diploma and certificate program intake in September, and we have a January intake in 2022, the food and beverage 2-year diploma program only. Let's have a look at our core courses. We have new state-of-the-art facilities. Students actually operate our Bloom restaurant. It's a live restaurant that is open to the public. The food and beverage program's core service courses take place in Bloom, as well as the campus. On-campus events take place both at the new Waterloo campus and off campus. Students get to practice their fine dining, quick service, takeout, banquet, and catering training at live events. Food and beverage industry is all about fine dining, banqueting, and catering. Students, these core courses take place in the restaurant I mentioned earlier, as well as outside at events. A critical element to our program is learning how to cook, learning how to operate kitchens. In order to manage hotels and restaurants properly, you need to understand how to work, cook, and manage kitchen. Absolutely critical element of our program. First, students will attend their culinary demonstration labs. You'll observe fundamental cooking techniques in these new culinary demo labs. Then students will go into the kitchen and practice cooking these culinary techniques in this cooking lab. Out of the kitchen and into the hotel, students will have 5 key hotel program courses in the hotel element of the 2-year diploma program. Students will learn how to check guests in and out in the front desk course. You learn about sales and catering, rooms management, resort management, and of course, how to manage restaurants and hotels. Students will learn the latest in technology, point of sale systems, Silverware, Room Master, a hotel property management system that manages all aspects of hotel accounting. Students will access Microsoft Mastery. You'll master all the Microsoft systems and as well as advanced Excel programs. Students will learn about accounting, balance sheets, income statements, fundamental way to record sales, basic entry-level accounting, and of course the critical cost control. How do we be profitable operating food and beverage exiting the pandemic. And of course, wine, beer, and spirits. Students will obtain their hospitality certifications. In order to serve alcohol in Ontario, you must obtain your Smart Serve, as well as you'll obtain a safe food handling certificate. Students will attend our mixology labs and learn about food and wine pairing. Students will study in the library and perform events in the library and other event spaces on campus. Students will go on class trips, familiarization tours. You'll cater multiple events on and off campus. Seasonal events, student events. You'll be involved in the community. Conestoga's primary competitive advantage is our faculty and staff. We all come from industry. Many of us have owned and operated hotels, bars, and restaurants. All our chefs, faculty, and technologists have been successful in industry. We are passionate about food, beverage, catering, tourism, and of course, teaching. Again, Conestoga's primary competitive advantage is our highly competent teachers. With industry experience, again, we've owned and operated restaurants, hotels, and tourism venues. Successful industry experience. We're entrepreneurial, we're innovative. We'll get to know you by name. We'll engage, care, guide, mentor, support you, and inspire you in all aspects of the programs and the industry. The right attitude will take you far. I'm Trevor Wynne Jones. It's been a pleasure speaking with you today. Take a picture of my email. I'm happy to chat further via Zoom, on the phone. I hope to see you on campus and in my class next fall. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to me today.